Welcome to Signal Mountain. My name is Bill Iorio with Boutique Living by Curate, and I'm here to show you maybe the most beautiful house that I've built. I just love the exterior of this house, the yard. Signal Mountain is just an awesome place to live. I've been here since 1972, not continuously, but moved back here because I just love it so much. A little bit cooler than Chattanooga in the summer, get a little snow maybe in the winter. This creek right here kind of reminds me of when I was a kid, and first time I showed up from New Jersey in the 4th grade, and searching for little critters and crawdads, and I was like, what's a crawdad? But anyway, great yard, and just a great place to live, and such a beautiful house. I think one of the biggest challenges on this house and the other two that I've built up here is learning the ins and outs of Hamilton County. So Signal Mountain, I built in the city of Signal Mountain. They have a different inspection crew, different requirements, mostly the same codes, but every inspector is different. Up here, I've got to deal with a lot of different county entities, including the highway department, the water quality department, the building department. And it's very disjointed government, so you really just kind of have to, the good thing is they're available by the phone. In the city of Chattanooga, everything's kind of done through an online portal that's very organized, and I've kind of know that system well. So that's been a real challenge. The septic system, we have an LPP, a low pressure system, because there's a lot of rock up here. They're very strict about how septic systems are built. There's as-built surveys, and so all of that has to be in order to continue with the inspection process. So that's been quite a challenge to learn. I feel like I'm probably still learning, but I'm a lot better than I was when we started. Okay, just a word on our LPP septic systems. It's a low pressure system. So it's unlike a gravity system where there's large diameter pipes. All along here, there are PVC pipes with holes in them. And then it's called a low pressure because they're balanced. So the sewage is spread out over the area evenly. And that's because, this is all dictated by wastewater management. There's as-built systems, so we have very accurate drawings of where all of these lines are. You might notice this right here. This red, this is the alarm. So if there's ever an issue with the pump, the homeowners will know that they've got an issue. This is the irrigation control, and there is a pump tank, and that will, from here, it actually pumps it uphill. So that's why you have to have a pump system and not a gravity system. The wastewater management, they actually tell us where we have to put that septic system. So it's not an arbitrary thing. They will examine the topography, the relation to the streams, and there's always a primary and a secondary. So we have to build it in the primary. The secondary is 50 years down the road when this system may need service or replacement. You have a secondary system, and it's all about protecting the streams, the Tennessee River. So that's what it's all about, and it's very highly regulated. Anyway, so that's about the septic system. Okay, so I think one of the architectural details that is my favorite is I love the brick. I love the color and texture of the brick, but these arches is unique. And the way that they're able to build those arches without them falling apart is they had to build a form out of wood and support that, and lay the brick, and then give it a couple days to dry, and then they remove that. So very challenging, but definitely the detail, I think, is worth it.